Hello guys, oh shit. Welcome back to another video of Dash Autoworks. And today, we are in my BMW F90 M5. I know, I've been pretty off YouTube, but coming back slowly. So, we made a video when I got it, but it kinda got messed up. So here she is. We got an M Performance diffuser, some reflector delete, some trunk spoiler, some smoked out taillights. Got some M Performance side skirts, mirror caps, some smoked taillights, headlights, black grills, RKP style front lip, and now we're installing FI catless downpipes, just secondaries, so I don't have a problem with my warranty. And then we're gonna do a full AWE catback. But here it is. This is a full AWE catback. As you can see, Switchpath, so it has valves. And then in my trunk, here they are. Oh, can't really see them, but there they are. So we're gonna take this all out, and we're gonna put it up on the lift, and then we're gonna go from there. Hey guys, quick update on the M5. Just get the stock exhaust off right there. AWE is right there. So we have the exhaust off. Pretty cool. Too bad I can't start it because I already disconnected the clamps on the downpipes. But we're gonna take out these secondary cats. And the bolts that hold them are right there and right there, and they should come out. Sabri called me insane and that I'm gonna kill myself. Not kill myself, but he told me I'm gonna hate it after 1 month. But here's the stock exhaust, pretty lame. And then here we have the AWE Switchpath with its valves. It's not a track, so it has these, and people say that they help a lot, along with the X pipe that comes with the Switchpath. And yeah, when I get the downpipes out, I'll let you guys know. It'll probably be way longer for me, but it'll take about a second for you. So let's go. I'm in love. Wallah, I'm in love. Oh wow, this is everything I've ever wanted. FI downpipes with the AWE track exhaust. Did you hear it?
You're gonna regret your life.
I love it.
And get tickets.
You're gonna regret your life decisions.
I love it.
Yeah.
Alright guys, this is my second drive. I didn't record the first one, but this is what an AWE Switchpath Catback sounds with FI downpipes. Not FI downpipes, just secondary downpipes. God. You ready? God damn! Holy shit! Holy fucking shit! I'm in love. Oh my god damn it, bro. That sounds like fucking terror. God damn. I am in love. I don't know if the mic can capture all this, but the turbo noise, the fucking everything about it. It is so, like, I woke it up, really. I'm done. Done. I realized I haven't vlogged in so long that I moved to a different home and I am no longer where I used to be, and I wrapped my sister's car in KPMF matte dynamic lime green, the GLE 43. So this is the new home. Pretty cool. Got a little lake right there. M5 in the garage. We have the M6, of course, still. Look at her. Always in mint condition. Always sleeping. I got the trickle charger on it. The M5, I am beyond happy with it. This exhaust sounds nuts. Listen to this thing just at idle. Turbos are spooling at idle. I'm not gonna rev it because my dad's gonna get mad, but that sounds pretty good. The X6 and the X5 had to go. 5 years with the X6 and then 7.5 with the X5M. It's pretty crazy if you think about it, because I kind of miss them sometimes, like in the winter. I don't know how this car is gonna be in the winter, but I hope it's good. I think it'll be good. So basically, this car has 22,000 miles now, but I got it with 19,000. It has a new engine in it already, but it's not my fault. It came with a misfire, and it has over 60 grand in it now from the dealer. The certified pre-owned F90 M5, and it's a California car, just like Sabri's X5M. And yeah, I mean, after I did the exhaust, I kind of fell back in love with it again, like really, because it's been depressing me for so long. But here we have this beautiful craftsmanship of an exhaust, AWE Switchpath. I can do more flyby videos and stuff because AWE actually did DM me and said if I have any good footage of the exhaust and stuff to DM it and they'll post it. So that'll be pretty cool to see my car on there. So yeah, we basically just got these IND emblems and some stuff. And then my friend Jemo sells carbon fiber, so we got some carbon mirror caps. And then we got a nice RKP style front lip. And I recently changed my name when I got the car on Instagram to _F90 for you people that don't know. But yeah, it's weird to be putting myself in a camera like this because I haven't done it in so long. So this is the new crib. Pretty nice. I don't know what else to say. But I'll make more videos. So hopefully I can get my audience back. But until the next one, I'm out.